Listen, this thing's been blowing up online, and I had to try it myself. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. People love how it performs, and after using it myself, I totally agree. Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Hey there! You might want to see this before it's gone. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hold up! You won't believe how good this one actually is. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, listen, this thing's been blowing up online, and I had to try it myself. The feedback